Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a time lapse with this app called Frame Lapse. I recommend this app better than the built-in time lapse app that comes with your phone inside the camera app. Now, what you want to do is make sure you have this app called Frame Lapse installed on your device. I'll leave a link in the description for it. Now, what you want to do is you see a bunch of options right here. I don't know if you can see right here, it shows you all your settings that you have it at, right there. Right here, it shows your settings that you have your frame intervals, your video duration and recording infinite and speed. That will show you what your settings are right now that you have set. Now, if you want to set your durations and all your settings, what you want to do is don't click play, because that would just bring you to your video gallery like so. Now, what you want to do right now is you see that there's HQ, click that. And that's just how much the resolution you want it to. You can go 4K, but I do recommended 1080p, like so. Now, what you want to do is click OK, like so. And now, what you want to do is you see this thing that looks like a time watch right there. Click on that, and that will give you your frame interval speed, like so. You can even go up to 0.1 seconds. The farthest you can use is user defined, like that. User defined means that you can add your own settings other than this much that it gives you. Now, I'm going to just put 1 second right there. Click OK. That's how you can change your intervals. Now, right here, the 3 dots right there is for video duration. That's how much time you want the video to be. You can have infinite, mean that it can go on for 10 days or however much you set it. 7 seconds, right there, 7 seconds. I'll just put 7 seconds right there for now. And then you can take a photo too, like so, right there. We're clicking right there for the photo. Now, I'm going to show you your settings you have on your phone, like so. You should see right there, it says frame interval 1 second, video duration is 7 seconds, and then recording it says 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and then speed is just 30 plus right there. Now, if you want to set your video to start, click this button right there. You should see that the thing is starting right there, because you see it says the seconds right here is going right there. And then at the bottom right here, you should see that there's a blue little progress bar right there. Right there, I don't know if you can see, but right here there's a blue progress bar right there. Just let that get finished like so. I'll leave the video on so you know how it looks like. Just let the video play like so. Now, what I'm gonna do is stop the time lapse like so. And now, what you wanna do right here to see your video that you shot right here, what you wanna do is to see your video you shot, click this play button, and then you can see recent video or video gallery. I'm gonna put it recent, like so. You see right there, that's the time-lapse videos that got shot right there. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to shoot a time-lapse on your Android smartphone. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these ones. Bye.